Getting good looking, true to life colors in underwater videos is one of the biggest challenges for most underwater video shooters. In today's quick tip video, I'll show you an easy way how you can achieve that regardless of what camera you're using. Right after the intro. Hey there underwater image makers, I hope you're having a great week so far. In order to end up with good looking, true to life colors on your underwater videos, doing a proper white balance underwater is crucial. You would normally do that by pointing your camera into the direction you want to film into, placing a white slate in front of the lens, and then activating the custom white balance setting. So far, so good. But what if the camera doesn't have a custom white balance option? Most action cams or smartphones don't offer that setting. Well, do this instead. First, you'll need a color checker like this one here from Kelden, which is specifically made for underwater use. Secondly, find an underwater selfie stick. Any underwater selfie stick that you already have at home will do. Now attach the color checker to the selfie stick at a 90-degree angle. I've simply used an extension piece and regular duct tape to do that. There are definitely more sophisticated ways of doing this, but the duct tape works just fine for me. And voila, you're set to go. You can use this color checker now as a reference in your shots to be able to properly color correct them in post. How? Once you see a scene you want to capture on your next dive, position yourself and press record. Bring the color checker on the selfie stick into the frame and keep it there for a couple of seconds. Remove it from the frame and take your shot. Do this for every shot you take that has different lighting conditions, like a different angle the sun is hitting your object at, a different depth, different clarity of the water, different distance to your object, etc. The magic then happens when you bring that footage into your editing software. Bring your clips into the timeline and open a new color correction tab. Adjust saturation and contrast first. I like to use the color wheels to do that and the Luma waveform to check the results. But you can use whatever method you like best to make those adjustments. Next, draw a mask around the primary color column on the color checker using the mask tool. Open a new color adjustment tab and the vector scope. It now displays those 6 colors. Blue, green, red, yellow, magenta and cyan on the color checker, and you'll see how much and into what direction your colors are off. Use the global color wheel to pull it into the opposite direction of where the colors are positioned to center them within the vector scope. Open a new hue versus hue adjustment tab. Name it red. Use the color picker on the hue versus hue curve and select the red box of the color checker in your frame. Move the given point on the color line up and down until the red line in the vector scope is lined up nicely with the red mark. Do this for each of the 6 colors. Deactivate the mask now and check your result. It should be pretty accurate. If you're not quite happy with it, you can go back to the hue versus hue curves or the global color wheel and make minor adjustments until you're pleased with the end result. And that's all the magic. I know it seems like a lot of work, but it's the most accurate way to correct the colors in your underwater videos, and once you've done it a couple of times, you'll get pretty quick at it. For best results, you want to use your camera at the highest possible bit rate. So if your camera offers a 10-bit recording option, I would definitely use it, as it's going to give you more leeway adjusting your colors in post the way we discussed. And by the way, even if your camera allows for a manual custom white balance, you can still use the shown method as a way to fine-tune your colors in post with even better results. I will put links to the color checker and my selfie stick down in the video description below in case you want to check it out. That's it for today's quick tip video. I hope it was useful to you and you learned something. If that's the case, give this video a like and share it with a dive buddy who might benefit from it too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet for more underwater video related content. Have a great week, guys. Keep capturing all those amazing underwater adventures of yours, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye now.